children, welcome to chapter number 4, Structure of Ocean Flow of Standard 8. Now, as I'm going to the PDF in page number 24, what do you mean by structure of ocean flow? Structure of ocean flow means what is there below the ocean. As you know, children, as you walk on the road, sometimes the roads are plain, sometimes are undulating, up and down, slope. So you get it on the land relief. But same thing, it happens also in the ocean flow. Children, did you have been to a beach? You all are very common. You all have visited Jew Beach, the beaches which is near your place, right? Right or wrong? Did you all move about? Did you all go to beach? When you all go to beach, what do you see in the beach? You all see sand, you all see bhel puri wala, pani puri wala, then you all fly kite, you all make sand castle. This is what you all do on the beach. You all enjoy the camel ride, horse ride. You all enjoy the sunset points and sunset, right? And did you all go into the water? Yes, of course you all have been into the water. But you all don't go deep down into the water, right? If some elders are there with you, then only you go deep into the water, right? And for that you all should know swimming, because it is very important. So when I'm talking about the ocean floor also has mountain, plateau, coast, sea level, continental shelf, marina trench, island and marine deep. These are also structure found below the ocean floor. You know this, children? Tell me what you get from ocean. First of the main thing, we get salt, different kind of fish, conches, pearl, and sometime also we come across, we get oil. We get oil also. Okay, so here we are going towards the chapter about various structure of ocean flow. When I'm talking about page number 24, continent and ocean are the part of the lithosphere. Lithosphere means land and hydrosphere means water part. Lithosphere means land part, hydrosphere means water part. Continent and ocean lies on the plate. Right? This is also correct. During low tide means always you remember there is high tide and low tide in the ocean and sea. Twice it happens. Okay, low tide means samundar mein kam pani. High tide means zyada pani. Okay, low tide means samundar khali ho jata hai. The level of ocean water goes up and down. During high tide, the water comes up, and during low tide, the water moves down below the water near the coast is exposed. Shipwreck when the strike against a rock in the ocean. Shipwreck means destroyed. Rapture means toot jana. Means ship is badly damaged when it's hit by a rock in the ocean. When the ship is sailing in the sea or in the ocean, sometime it get damaged due to the rock beneath the ocean. You all have seen Titanic movie? In the Titanic movie, you all have seen that the ship was damaged by an iceberg, by a glacier. So sometime, because when the big rocks are there below the ocean and ships get damaged when it is obstructed by the rock. In the above point are correct, then select the appropriate point which is I have explained. Now here geographical explanation says that we know that the proportion of water and land is uneven. It is not same. Okay, children, underline. Around 71% of the surface is covered by water. When you see the globe, how does it look? It looks blue. Blue means it indicates that 71% of a land is covered by water. Okay. Around 71% of the surface is covered by water, but there is land. There is land even below this water. But like water, it is not at the same level. When you see various landform, you will come to know there are various structure landform on the earth basis of altitude. Altitude means height. A similar classification can be done for landforms submerged. Submerged means which is below the ocean or below the water. Okay, children? Now think about it has been excluded from your chapter. Now, can you tell it is mentioned? What parameters are used for classify the land on the earth? Altitude. Altitude means height. And the shape of the land are the parameter used to classify the landform on the earth. Then the next question, what parameters are used for naming the landform below water? Depth from the sea floor and the shape of the land are the parameter used for naming the landform given below. Now let me tell you about relief. In the geographical explanation, the relief of the ocean floor. Land submerged below oceanic water is called the ocean floor. As I am telling you, the land, dharti, which is submerged. Submerged means डूब गया है below the ocean water. Ocean water means in the ocean or sea, which is below the ocean water is called the ocean floor. The relief of submerged land is called the ocean relief. The depth from the sea floor means from the depth of the ocean, and the shape of the land are the parameter to classify the various submerged form of ocean relief. Okay, children? The relief of the ocean floor is decided upon the depth from the sea floor and the shape of the land which is situated. The average depth of the ocean, please underline, the average depth of the ocean is around 3,700 meter. The ocean bed is uneven like the land of continent. It means it is not plain. It has various landform which is given in figure 4.1. The ocean bed is also uneven like the land on the continent. The ocean floor relief consists of the submerged landform. Submerged landform means which is below the water, oceanic water. The structure of the ocean floor differs. Differs means changes from ocean to ocean. Thank you, children.